Before you register, two options are available for obtaining a trial subscription. You can either fill out the FydeOS Enterprise Solutions website form or contact a sales representative for help. Now, let's get started with manual registration. First, visit the image download page and download the suitable version for your device. Next, check out the installation guide for step-by-step instructions. Following the installation guide, burn the system image onto a USB storage device. Then, restart your computer and set it up to boot from the USB storage device. After booting, either choose Installer on the boot page to directly install FydeOS on your hard drive, or use the Installer app from the FydeOS App Store after entering the system. Once the installation is finished, restart your device and proceed to the OOBE operation. Follow the on-screen instructions, and when you reach the login or registration step, make sure to click on More Options, Enterprise Registration. Enter the account and password associated with the activated trial access. At this point, the enterprise registration is complete.